In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend tax return on TurboTax. If you spotted a mistake after filing or received a new form, an amendment lets you correct your return with the IRS. We'll use TurboTax's built-in guidance so you know you're in the right place. With your TurboTax return open, click the search feature. You'll find it at the top of the screen, usually shown as a small magnifying glass. Using search takes you straight to the tools and help you need for the current tax year. In the search field, type the word amend and press enter. This pulls up TurboTax resources dedicated to amending, so you don't have to dig through menus or wonder which section to open. From the search results, click the option labeled Amend Tax Return. That link takes you into TurboTax's amendment help area, which gathers everything in one place and keeps you on the official workflow. Next, select the article titled, How Do I Amend My Federal Tax Return? Opening this page gives you clear, step-by-step instructions tailored to your situation, plus key notes for the current year. Skim the overview first. It explains when an amendment is actually needed and when small math errors might be corrected automatically. From there, simply follow the steps shown on the screen. TurboTax will guide you through confirming that your original return was filed, identifying what changed, and updating the affected entries. You'll also see how the 1040X amendment form is prepared for you behind the scenes. If your state return needs a change, watch for prompts. State amendments are handled separately, and TurboTax will point you to the correct path. A few quick tips as you proceed. Only amend after your original return has been accepted or processed. If you're waiting on a refund from the original filing, let that arrive first. The amendment addresses the difference, not that initial payment. Keep copies of your original and amended returns for your records and save your progress as you work. Finally, follow any mailing or e-filing instructions at the end. Availability can vary by year and by state. That's it. You've used search, opened the amendment guidance, and you're ready to work through the on-screen steps with confidence. Take it slowly, double-check your entries, and you'll be all set.